Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Jayria, and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys my pumpkin soup recipe using beef, chicken and chicken neck. Guys, it is raining, and on rainy days we all need something warm and nice, so I decided to make some soup while I'm here listening to some dancehall mix up. Alright guys, so let's jump right into it. So first of all, I'm crushing some garlic to add to a pot of water. Guys, once you are cooking soup, you definitely need garlic. So I'm crushing the garlic, then I'm going to add it to my pot. Once I add my garlic to my pot, guys, then I am going to add some salt. So once I add the salt, I'm going to cover my pot and wait until it is boiling. So in the meantime, I'm going to prepare my pumpkin, I'm going to clean up my meat, and I'm going to prepare my other ingredients. So guys, continue watching and let's get this soup pot bubbling. So now I'm about to prepare the meat. I have some beef and some beef bone here that I'm cleaning with some vinegar. And I also have the chicken neck to clean along with some chicken, guys. So I'm just going to prepare all the meat and set aside until I am ready to add them to my pots. So now that my pot is boiling, I'm going in with the beef, as this is the hardest meat to cook. So I add it first to the boiling water. Also guys, I will be adding the pumpkin with the beef so that I can get that nice pumpkin color from early. So guys, I'm getting some help here with the flour. So in the meantime, I'm going to prepare my carrots. So everything is now peeled and prepared. I have my dough here for my dumplings, my yam and chocho, and now I'm just adding my yam to the pot, guys. Alright guys, so now it's time to add my dumplings to the pot. And when you're making soup, guys, you don't need those big Johnny cake or those big cartwheel. You only need some small spinners, some small dumplings, just like that. So yes, I'm making these dumplings really small. So moving along, guys, I'm now preparing some corn to go in my soup. And who cook pumpkin soup without corn? So yes, I have these nice sweet corn here that I'm going to prepare to add to my soup. What a show! So let's talk about some natural seasonings to add into soup. So here I have 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, I have some fresh thyme, and I also have scallion. Alright guys, so now it's time to add my corns, my carrots, and my chocho to my pot. Then I'm going to cover and let it cook some more before adding my natural seasonings. Guys, I totally forget to prepare my Irish potatoes, but it's not too late, so I'm now going in with 2 Irish potatoes so I can get a nice consistency. Alright guys, so now that the food is cooked or almost cooked, I'm going in with my cock soup. I already add a pumpkin flavor mix, but now I'm seasoning the pot, so I'm adding my cock soup, and then I'm going in with my natural season, that's the scallion, the pepper, and my thyme. Then I'm going to cover the pot and I'm going to let it simmer for like 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, after I did a taste test, to me it wanted a little more spice, so I'm going in with some all-purpose seasoning, and I will be adding some garlic powder, guys. So you can always add whatever seasonings you like to your soup to enhance it and give it a nice flavor that you want. So I'm finally done cooking my pumpkin beef soup, and now I'm about to serve 2 bowls, one for me. And guys, I'm not even going to wait until this soup is cool, because right now as I am talking, my mouth is running water. My soup, it is so spicy and nice, just like the dancehall mix-up that I was listening to on TikTok while I was cooking, guys. So please leave a like, comment, and let me know if you enjoyed this recipe. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please take this time and subscribe for more videos, for more contents like this one, and also share the video, guys, and also leave a like. Just anything is appreciated. A like, a comment, a subscribe, a share. All right, so now I'm going to enjoy my dinner, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Peace out.